Have you ever felt stuck between your heart and your mind? Your heart craves something, but your mind quietly says, this might be a mistake. You feel trapped, confused, powerless. I've been there too, and today I want to share something that changed my life. Sometimes your heart clings to something too deeply, a person, a dream, an idea. It wants it so badly, it tries to convince your mind to follow. Even when the mind knows the risk, your heart says, I want this. Your mind says, but this could cost you your peace. And often the heart wins, but not always for the better. Bhagavad Gita, verse 3.34. इंद्रियों के विषयों में राग और द्वेष स्थित होते हैं। मनुष्य को उनके वश में नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये आत्मा के मार्ग में बाधक है। कृष्णा tells us, don't get attached over your intelligence. So, what do you do when your heart and mind are pulling you in opposite directions? You surrender, you speak to Krishna with honesty, with faith. Say to him, Dear Krishna, you already know what's going on inside me, but today I lay this burden at your feet. My heart wants something, my mind is scared. Please take over, I surrender this conflict to you. And when you do this, truly, Krishna takes charge. He sends you signs, he unfolds the truth, he protects you from yourself. Bhagavad Gita, verse 18.66. सब प्रकार के धर्मों को त्याग कर केवल मेरी शरण में आओ, मैं तुम्हें सब पापों से मुक्त कर दूंगा, चिंता मत करो. This is the highest kind of strength, not trying to control everything, but trusting the one who controls everything. I've done this many times, and every single time I felt I was about to make a mistake. Krishna showed me a way, sometimes through a delay, sometimes through a stranger's words, and sometimes a sudden pause in my own thoughts. That pause saved me. Faith doesn't mean you sit idle. You still work hard. You stay disciplined. You think. But when you have done your part, nothing moves. You say, Krishna, I've done all I could, but now you be my strength. Bhagavad Gita, verse 9.22. जो लोग अनन्य भाव से मेरी भक्ति करते हैं, उनकी आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति और जो कुछ उन्होंने पाया है, उनकी रक्षा मैं स्वयं करता हूँ. That's where miracles begin. Not in some grand way, but quietly, softly, in divine timing. Miracles don't need a year. They only need 1 second. When it's your turn, everything will fall into place. So don't let your heart drag your mind into chaos. Don't let your mind silence the whispers of your soul. Let both bow down to Krishna. He already knows, but when you tell him with surrender, he leads and you follow in peace. Radhe Radhe.